morning, everyone. Welcome to another TradingView update. We're starting to see some signals and indicators that we might have bottomed out on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's see what these indicators are and what ideal price action we need to see in order to confirm that we have indeed bottomed out. Now, overnight or throughout the day yesterday, Bitcoin dropped lower in Asian hours, and then overnight in European and American hours, we saw a nice little rally higher, especially in Ethereum. I think Ethereum closed the day about 6% up or so. So the first thing that we've noticed, and something that we talked about at the beginning of the week, was this potential bullish divergence structure on the RSI, where a move lower on the price, or a lower low on the price chart, is accompanied by a higher low on the RSI. And this is played out at the moment on the daily chart, at least. I know we're looking at the 4 hour on the chart, but the RSI here is the daily. So this is one thing to bear in mind. And there have been examples in the past where such a structure has signaled a change in trend, a change in momentum, and could lead to imminent higher prices. Now, for that to play out, ideally, we want to see this sort of price trade, this price action that we also highlighted earlier, where you have this sort of path where prices move higher, break through this downward trending resistance line, test it as support, and then move higher still. Now, we had a similar sort of occurrence back in September, where we actually saw this bullish divergence structure play out between the 10th and 11th. We then broke higher through the downward trending support line, but failed to hold the support. And that's where we then moved lower before we then had the ultimate reversal. So we want to kind of keep an eye on a potential support of this trading corridor, of this downward trending resistance line, maybe supporting or prices coming in to retest it at around 59K. If that holds over the next few days and prices start to move higher, then we can be pretty certain of a continued move higher. So this is quite exciting and something that we'll definitely keep an eye on over the next few days. On the RSI as well, something that we've seen is that since May, or since the low in May, the RSI has kind of been trading above this support line, and we've now tested the support line twice over the last 2 days. If it holds and continues to move higher, that would be a great bottom signal with almost a double bottom here. But again, we're starting to get to really interesting areas, buying opportunities. These are the sort of times when you really want to get interested in the market, be ready to have cash on the side to top up. Again, the crypto fear and greed index is still trading, or is still at about 40. It's still in the level of fear. We can see that. And as it was the case back in July, be greedy when others are fearful. Now is the time when you want to look at potentially adding positions. On the Ethereum side, we've seen it's much stronger. The Fibonacci retracements from the September low and the November high are holding as support. So the 0.618 level at 4,000 has held as support. We're now seeing a little bit of resistance at 4,400. If we want Ethereum to continue its move higher, ideally we'd like to see a break above this level, test it and move higher. But again, we've had a higher low, also accompanied by a higher low on the RSI, suggesting that there is now a potential for a change in sentiment, a change in the overall trend, and we may well now continue to see prices move further to the upside. I don't think on ETH there's actually too much that I wanted to say apart from that. Now, of course, we mentioned that our kind of crucial support on Ethereum is coming in at around 3,850, or pretty much in line with the 0.5 fib retracement as well. This isn't, this could still, we may still see a move lower to this level. Again, if the support here fails to hold, prices continue to move lower, then this is still very much a target. But for now, markets are looking good. Funding rates have reset. It's now time to wait for these crucial areas of kind of resistance to be broken, retested as support. If those new support levels hold, then we can expect to see a move higher over the coming days. That's it from us. Have a good day.